Okay, number 3. Appears we have a parallelogram here. So let's go ahead and find those side lengths. BC is pretty quick to find. It's horizontal. So BC is a length of what? 3. AD also turns out to be length of 3. Now, to find the other two sides, we need to go through and use our distance formula. So for AB, let's go ahead and do that. All right, A is down here at what? 3, -8. And B is over here at 6, -4. So go through and use distance formula. Change in x's plus the change in y's. When we work it out, we get 5. Having done the other side earlier, we also get 5 on CD. So walking around the perimeter, 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 10 is, 6 plus 10 is 16 units. Not necessary for the nearest hundredth. Now for the area of a parallelogram, it is the same as the area of a rectangle. It is base times height. Now, it does not mean 3 times 5 here. It needs to be perpendicular to one another. So what I mean by that is that the base of 3 that we have here is going to be perpendicular to this height of the parallelogram. And that is easily calculable because it's just vertical. So we can go 1, 2, 3, 4, and say the height is 4. So the parallelogram is 3 times 4, which is giving me an area of 12 units squared. Not necessary, okay? All right, number 4. In our perimeter here, we get 3 sides we can find pretty quick. Let's get those verticals. 1, 2, if I can count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Along the bottom there, looks like we get a length of 6. Now PQ and QR, we need to go through and calculate its distance. P is over here at -8, 6. Q is up here at -5, 8. Okay, 1 second.
Put it all in my office and didn't print. Couldn't go to yours because Jesse was printing a bunch of stuff on that one.
All right, so let's go through and use the distance formula there. Let's find PQ. No, I don't care. That's Mrs. Drush.
Hi, guys.
All right, change in the x's squared plus the change in the y's squared. 9 plus 4 is what? 13. PQ is 13. Turns out QR is also the square root of 13. Add them up. 3 plus 3 plus 6 is what? 12. We have like terms of root 13s, 2 of them. Go to your calculator, punch it in. Those are not like terms, so that's the exact answer. So 12 plus 2 square root of 13 gives me nearest hundredth, 19.21 units. Okay, for the area of that composite figure, I see 2 figures. I'm going to cut it up so that I have a rectangle, which is pretty easy to calculate. 3 times 6 right there is 18. And then we have ourselves an isosceles triangle, base times height. So for the area of that triangle, again, the base and the height need to be perpendicular to one another. We got a base of 6, and then we can go in and see the height of 2 right there. So base of 6, height of 2 gives me 6. So then 18 plus 6 is going to give me that area. 18 plus 6, the rectangle, plus the triangle. So that gives me what? 20, well, just had brain fart. 24 square units. Nothing to do with the 100.